In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grammarly, how to disable Grammarly extension. If Grammarly is getting in the way, you're troubleshooting another tool, or you just want a break from suggestions, I'll show you the simplest way to turn it off without uninstalling it. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google so you're on a regular web page with your toolbar visible. This gives us a familiar starting point and makes the extension controls easy to reach at the top right of the window. Next, look for the Extensions button in the upper right of your browser toolbar. It usually looks like a small puzzle piece icon. Click that to open a list of your installed extensions. This menu is the quick access panel where you can see everything you've added to your browser. In that list, find the Grammarly extension. Right next to Grammarly, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click those dots to open the menu for this specific extension. This menu gives you actions related to Grammarly alone, so you don't have to dig through broader settings. From that small menu, choose Manage Extension. This will open the dedicated details page for Grammarly in a new tab. Think of this as the control panel for the extension, where you can see its permissions, version, and most importantly, its on and off switch. On the Grammarly details page, look for the main toggle switch. It's typically at the top of the page, labeled so you can tell whether the extension is enabled. When it's turned on, the toggle is highlighted. When it's off, it's grayed out. This switch doesn't remove Grammarly from your browser, it simply disables it, which is ideal if you might want to turn it back on later. Go ahead and click that toggle to turn Grammarly off. As soon as you do, Grammarly stops running in your browser. You should notice the Grammarly icon disappear from your toolbar, and its suggestions will no longer appear on text fields. Changes often take effect immediately. If a page still shows old suggestions, that's normal behavior that clears once the page updates. That's all you need. You opened your browser, accessed the Extensions menu, opened the Grammarly options, went to Manage Extension, found the on-off toggle, and clicked it to disable Grammarly. If you ever want it back, return to the same page and flip the same switch to re-enable it. This approach is safe, reversible, and doesn't affect any of your documents or settings. It simply pauses the extension in the browser.